You can
Yes.
start. You can start.
Amitoj, you can start.
Yes, ma'am, please enable my share screen.
Manisha ma'am, you have to enable this
Yes,
thing.
done, sir. Done.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So let's start. So, so this was the problem statement that we were having. And according to this, we have to predict the tariff rate for the upcoming day, including these 16 factors. And there are some fixed parameters and variable parameters. So the fixed parameters are like distance, vehicle category, vehicle capacity, mileage, toll charges, extra charges, and variable parameters are travel time, weather conditions, fuel cost, handling charges, etc. So we have taken these parameters and we created some of the solutions for them. So the first is we are having two dashboards. The first one is admin dashboard and second one is the staff dashboard. Let me show you the another dashboard. So here you can see in the staff dashboard. Let me
join करो join नहीं कर रहे
So this is the staff dashboard where we have two options, the calamity or strike reporting and the card rate. In case of this reporting system, what the user has to do, can you see the reporting system?
Yes, yes.
So here he writes the problem that there is a strike going on and gives the scale from 0 to 100. That is the percentage it affects the demand or it affects the company. So here we will get something according to the each and every hub. So there is a calamity which is affecting 10%. So we can edit and delete this calamity if it is over. So when we go to the card rate calculation, so I will calculate this from card rate. So here, if I add JMW and I will get your, let me connect. Is my voice coming or connection is okay?
It's okay. Audible.
Okay. Oh.
Can you take some other example because we same example we are taking since long.
Yes, sir. We can take, but if I would take that, let me change the example. Connect to the. So, sir, I don't remember the route. Please tell any route which is available.
No, are you okay with the change or you want to show this one only? We have no issues.
Okay, screen is not changed. Let me change it.
No, I'm saying.
Sir.
Do you okay with the different set of records, or you want to show this only? I don't want to waste time.
I can show anyone. Actually, in JMW, I have added a calamity, which will show the effect.
Show it this.
So I'm not sure which screen you are seeing.
Wherever you typed JMW, that screen is visible to us.
Okay, ma'am. So I add JMW and the another one is KRM. Yes.
Type in capital, I think. Okay, chemical. Okay.
No, it's not coming. Database connection is lost.
1 minute, I am trying.
Yeah, you try the screen share. Okay, it's seen. So here you can see I entered JMW to KRM. Okay, so in case of JMW, we have all those factors, the tire cost, etc., etc. These are the company expenses. Now what we have added is demand factor. Presently, this demand factor is as a random, but when the person at the hub updates it, on the daily basis, the weighted average new demand will be there, and it will be shown here in the basis of like it was affecting the minus 53% from minus 50 rupees from the previous or from the base level, and for per kilometer it is costing 0.07. And the demand factor is this, and unpredictable factors such as their strike happened or any kind of calamity happened, which is shown here, which I have showed you in the hub factor,
Reported.
which reported previously. So at the end, the total cost come out to be 11.60. And sir, let me change it to JMW to EKM, for which you provided us the rate card. So sir, the cost coming out to be is 16.07. In this case, from the JMW, the demand factor is minus 0.07, which is affecting the cost per kg, but it will not affect a lot. And in the RWRT, there is no natural calamity occurring or unpredictable, nothing is there. So it's 0. And at the end, the answer is coming out to be 16 rupees. And in the given rate card that you gave us, the answer was 15.64, which is like half a rupee change, due to which, because of that is because of the fuel price, because you calculated it with the average fuel price and this is calculated with the actual fuel price. And it can be varied because of like these factors, the cost dependent on vehicles, national permits or handling charges that are there.
No, you are considering current rate, and whatever the rates we have given, that time fuel rate was less.
Yes, sir. That's why it might be possible that this answer might be more different if you enter the correct values to this. So let me show you if I'm able to see. So sir, can you see my slide?
Yes.
So this is the screen. So here you can see company factors, the handling 2%, margin 90%, surcharges 50%. So here the cost percentage for unpredictable factors. For example, if the change is by 1%, the total cost, the end cost will be affected by 100 rupees. If it is affecting by 2%, then the total cost will be affected by 200 rupees. Similarly, the cost percentage for demand, we have set, you can edit it from here. I am showing you, this is a PPT picture. You can
this value means what? These numbers belong what? Is a percentage, is a rupees. There should be some parameter,
sir,
no? Like handling is 2%,
yes.
margin we are saying 90%.
First
margin can't be 90%.
Sir, yeah, these are just a random value I have put during in the photo. I have put a random value, but actually these three
sir
top.
is asking what unit values are there. What is the measurement?
Yeah, what is the UM on this? Either percentage,
sir,
rupees, or what you call
what
weightage.
is unit, sir? Sir,
No,
the unit, like first 3 are percentage, these are fixed, these cannot be changed. You will once tell us that these are the values that we include. So these are like keys, you will tell us, value can be changed later. Keys will be fixed and values can be changed. So first three are the percentages. Second three are last two are the cost percent per percent. Like if 1% changes there, then how much amount you will change? 100 rupees. So last two are the rupees and first three are the percentages.
Not clear, Amitosh. What are you saying?
90% margin can't be there, no?
No, sir. So no. The actual margin is here, sir. So this is, can you see my screen for a browser? So sir, these are the company expenses. This is the company expense. The handling is 2%, margin is 30%, surcharges are 20%. This is the actual value. So if I say that there is...
how you are saying 90% margin?
No, sir, that's the image we created before. Putting the actual value. So image is wrong, but this is the actual data from a database. This is the actual data from a database.
Okay.
So for example, I have written that cost per percent for unpredictable factor is 100 rupees. So sir, here if I show you JMW to RWRT, we have added a factor which is unpredictable factor. So it is multiplied by 100, which comes out to be 624. The total cost comes out to be 624 in the addition, but for
So,
per kilometer it is 0.92.
Amitos, what is 100? 100 means what? 100 on
Sir,
what? If I say unpredictable factor, you say someone will define some strike is, I say 50%. So how this 100 rupees they will react on that 50%?
Sir, the company has
If so, two cases. One I say 10% impact. One I say 50% impact. This 100
yes, sir.
rupees, or how it will play the role?
Sir, 100 rupees, like if there is your company has a parameter that if there is a 50% strike, then there will be like something 5,000 increase in the price, or 2,000 increase in the price, or 10,000 increase in the price. If there is 50% strike rate, there will be something, no, sir, that will affect the cost.
You mean to say 100 rupees per point per 1%?
Yes, sir. 100 rupees is per 1%.
So this clarity should be there. That's why we are saying where is the UM of these values.
Sir,
unit of measurement should be there against
yes,
the value.
sir. Yeah, we will add. Sir, by the way, I have written cost per percent for unpredictable factor, cost per percent for demand.
It should be clear.
Yes, sir. It is written in the slide. As you can see, it is written here. It is written on the screen. Can you see? Its last two values: cost per percent for unpredictable factor, cost per percent for demand.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It is written.
Okay, continue.
And as we have said earlier, sir, the fuel prices, ma'am, as it was a problem yesterday, we are taking the average of the fuel price because when we concluded that if we take the average and we take a proper system, like the truck goes for 1,000 kilometers according to its capacity, the cost difference comes out to be 0.02 per kg. That is 2 pesos for a kg, 3 pesos for a kg, up to 10 pesos for a kg. So that doesn't make a big difference in the prediction. So that's why we were taking the average. It can affect, but it can be improved, like if we take the all the states coming during the route, and it won't affect much because it's like 1 paisa, 2 paisa, 3 paisa. And another thing, why we haven't used any machine learning model, why we haven't used machine learning model is because there were 16 parameters, and from these 16 parameters, one card rate can be calculated. But from the card rate, that the data we were having, only the rate, we can't calculate the 16 parameters. And it requires a lot of time if we start searching it on internet, like whether there was a geopolitical event yesterday or not in the previous year or not. And then even we require the data for 2 to 3 years so that we can compare that what is the effect of geopolitical event. If it was there, then this was the answer, and if it is not there, then this was the answer. Hello.
Yes, we can hear you. Yeah.
Any questions?
Amitosh, show me that
Yes,
the staff users dashboard.
yes, sure.
उसी वक्त बंद रहा होगा, वो एक बार दो बार खोल लेते हैं, फिर तीसरी बार मार जाते हैं कि नहीं अब बंद है.
A small PCF table.
So it will be like this. This is the dashboard for the staff, which only have two features: the strike reporting feature and a card rate prediction. And all other features are available with the admin, where he can edit the cost according to the company's vehicle cost and other. So this is the difference between admin and user staff.
Okay. 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 Fine.
Any questions from the evaluators?
Puran sir, is the values there, what they shown are near to the practical ones, or whatever real-time value you have? What is shown are
So like I checked this one, whatever they said. So just run whatever I will tell and tell the current prediction rate. I'm going to tell you one rate, one location, from location to location. Just a
Yes, sir,
minute.
sure. Just a minute.
Amitoj, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Type from MKP, MKP, M for Mathura, K for Kanpur, P for Patna.
Yes, sir. Next.
You go to the browser.
MRG.
Yes, ma'am. Just wait a minute. Second one is, sir? Second
One second. You say from BLIS
Hmm.
to MMN to MMN.
MMN.
Yes. M for Mathura, M for Mathura, N for Nagpur.
So these are 9 rupees. It's coming out to be 9 rupees, 11 paisa. And sir, the values might be affected due to because we have a random value in the demand. Here demand factor is negative. Here in the others, demand factor can be positive or negative. It depends. So value is coming out to be 9.1.
And my current rate is 12 rupees.
So that's because all demands are in negative factor. So that's if it's affected by.
So you just show me the total one, not the
Yeah,
lag
total
wise.
one is 9.11.
My prediction is 12 rupees, 12.35.
Yes, so that is the factors affecting, sir. One is demand. 3 is having demand in negative value, and another factor is, sir, vehicle type, which is like here the mileage of vehicle is used 8 kilometers per liter, and the costs are different, and your cost can be different. So it might affect 1 or 2 rupees according to that.
This is too much, no? 9 rupees and 20% higher, 25% higher. While I explain you which type of vehicle will be used at what level.
Sir, we have used like that only, but the driver cost for you, EMI cost for you for the truck can be different. So if here see.
That is a self-checking method, no? Like driver cost and all those methods. If I have given you exact rates also, whatever calculation you have did, you have to calculate, you have to verify whatever was there at that time.
Sir, you are telling it from the previous.
Yeah, means the calculation should be correct, na? You say driver cost is you considering something. You have to adjust these some values to match the prices of that time, whatever the rate. I have given you actual values, no, not the dummy values.
Yes, sir, I understand this, but are you telling it from the today's like this card?
I'm telling the today's rate because you are considering the current fuel price, right? Current fuel price you are considering. So I assuming this is a prediction for current rate. While
yes, sir.
if I see the earlier one where the data was provided for this location, the call rate was It was again 10 rupees.
So it's coming out to be 911. So that's the difference. No, sir. Vehicle costs are different for you and us. We have taken different. Either also we have taken it from, like, we can get from the internet the cost of the mileage of the vehicle, the like EMI kind of thing, but we can't get the driver cost, maintenance, or tires. It's up to the you that what you will be putting here.
Considering all those factors, we have calculated some rates, right?
Yes, sir.
So it should be somewhere matching, na? It is 20% variance. Although it is not too much, but formula is there.
Sir, that 20% is due to some parameter wrongly tuned. Like there may be some error in fixing that. So that we can tune that.
Sir, as
Then
you might
I
have
think we-
calculated with the special demand, might be the demand might be higher.
I think we should check another one, sir. One more.
Type in instead of MMN, type GWT.
MMN or MMN?
Same thing, MMN, instead of MMN, type GWT, Guwahati.
From VLIS.
The first one, please tell first one, Purun sir. BS,
BLIS,
BLIS.
And
GWT.
So the cost is somewhere problematic.
Puranji, any other?
Sir, there is a problem because there is, I think, some problem.
Wait.
We don't have toll price for this one.
We have another couple of minutes.
Yes, sir. Sir, any other, please?
AGL, BLIS, AGL. Again, you will have same problem. Because toll rate will not be there.
Yes, sir, toll rate is not there.
This is development and there is a bug.
Because this is NHIA website was not having the toll for that, so we have to put that's the problem.
Hey, BDD, last one, BDD.
From BLIS.
BLIS, BDD.
So 10 rupees approximate, 10.85.
My earlier was, last year was 13 rupees. And current time it is current time it is 11 rupees.
11?
Yes.
So it is 10.85. If we do, like, sir, if we are correct and the demand is correct and the multiplication factor for that demand is also correct, then answer will be very accurate for that.
Okay, wait, please proceed on next.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Ma'am, can we leave?
Suresh, you have any more questions?
No questions, ma'am. No questions.
Manisha,
We can
from
leave.
us there is, yeah.
I'm
Our side is over.
I'm stopping the recording.